In the world of IT, you hear a lot about certifications, but there's a difference between getting a certificate and being recognized as a true expert. That's where something like Cisco's CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure certification comes in. It's presented as this premier, expert-level credential that proves you can build and manage these incredibly complex enterprise networks. To even attempt it, you're expected to have a solid CCNP Encore certification and a strong CCNA background. It covers everything from routing and switching to the newer stuff like SD-WAN and network automation.
That's a great way to put it. It really isn't just another piece of paper. It's a globally recognized benchmark of deep technical skill. For anyone serious about leading in today's business world, which is totally dependent on its network, this is essential. And honestly, it's probably the best CCIE track to choose because enterprise networking is something almost every single company on the planet relies on.
Okay, so if you're going for this, what are you actually learning? The syllabus is broken down into 5 key modules. They cover really advanced topics like switch campus design, different routing protocols like OSPF and BGP, wireless networking, and virtualization. Then it dives even deeper into things like Cisco SD-WAN, SD access for LAN automation, and what seems really crucial now, network automation and programmability, including Python.
I see, and what's really powerful there is the breadth of it all. It shows this isn't just about traditional networking anymore. It's about arming professionals with the modern skills for software-defined networks and automation. The fact that there's an entire dedicated module on network automation programmability covering Python, NetMiko, and Linux that tells you everything you need to know about where the industry is headed.
Right, that makes sense. Let's talk about the practical side of it then, the cost and the career payoff. The exam itself costs around $1,900 if you use Cisco's provided kit, or a bit less, $1,600 if you bring your own device. But this certification is seen as a direct gateway to some pretty high-demand roles, like network engineer, architect, or consultant. The salaries mentioned are quite broad, ranging from 7 LPA all the way up to 40 LPA.
That salary range really underscores the value that the industry places on this level of skill. I mean, it is a significant upfront cost, for sure. But when you look at the career trajectory and the earning potential it unlocks, it's less of an expense and more of an investment in a completely different professional tier.
So, to put it into perspective for someone just starting out, let's address the hierarchy. We hear about the CCNA all the time as a great starting point, but the CCIE Enterprise certification is a whole different league. It's unequivocally an expert-level designation, covering far more advanced concepts that are critical for today's networks. This seems to make it the clear choice for anyone who wants deep expertise and serious career growth.
Absolutely. Think of it this way. CCNA is like learning the alphabet of networking. CCIE is like being able to write a novel with it. And companies desperately need those novelists to build and manage their most critical infrastructure.
So, David, when we talk about CCIE being expert level and CCNA being beginner, what's the real difference in the day-to-day impact for a company? It's not just about knowing more commands, right?
You've hit the nail on the head. The real difference is in strategic thinking and problem solving. A CCNA professional can follow instructions to configure a basic router. A CCIE, on the other hand, can architect an entire resilient, secure, and efficient network that's built to scale for years. More importantly, they can troubleshoot those complex multi-vendor problems that would completely paralyze someone with less experience. It's the difference between following the manual and truly understanding the principles well enough to write a new one.
I see. So it's clear that while CCNA is the foundation, CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure is where the real expertise and career acceleration happen. It's a significant investment, for sure, but the skills and opportunities it unlocks seem to be truly unparalleled in the IT networking world.